Almost 24 schools and select communities across the island will benefit from the Ministry of National Security's Violence Prevention Program, which targets at-risk youth. The United States Agency for International Development, USAID, has donated more than $500 million to the initiative. Jamaica Maitland reports.
22 schools and 9 communities are being targeted for violence prevention in Vulnerable Schools and Communities program. The names of the schools and communities have not yet been made public. However, on Friday, the Ministry of National Security and the United States Agency for International Development, USAID, signed an agreement for a $650 million donation to the program.
Targeted interventions will include providing opportunities for music, sports, and technology programs to be implemented in schools and communities, enhanced case management and social services for at-risk youth, deepening child diversion and restorative justice programs, and an expansion of the Safe Schools program.
Several government agencies will be part of the program, including the Ministry of Education's Yard to Yard Find the Child initiative, which seeks to locate students who've not been attending online school during the pandemic. Only 40,000 of the 120,000 absentee students have been found so far. There are fears that the children may have ditched school for work, or even worse, gangs and other illegal activities.
So when we go to school and find the kids that are challenged and the parents that have challenges, we find the parents and we find other children. The ones who not come to school who are truants, the ones who have dropped out and are about to join gangs, and the little one who is malnourished. And the entire government services can come in and restore some level of social justice, Ms. Stewart. That is the objective.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says part of the government's social intervention strategy is to focus on schools as well as build and rebuild community police relationship to prevent crimes.
First, ensure that they get good quality health care, good quality education. The social services ministry can then reach through the school and health service in there, and the police provide safety. Not gangsters. Said it before, we'll say it over again, not negotiating with any gangster.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.